Hey guys, welcome back for another vlog. It is Friday and I wanted to do a weekend in my life in Austin just because it's right after Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna be doing little Christmassy things and a birthday to go to. So I'm gonna be out and about. So I wanted to just kind of show you like what an average weekend where I'm going out a bunch and doing things looks like, and some different things that you could do if you were in Austin. So first thing we're gonna be doing, I just went to the liquor store. I'm gonna take you along while I try to make my first espresso martinis. I got a crock pot, I'm making chicken and dumplings. So I got some groceries to go with that too, and it's been a year since I've done this, so I kind of honestly don't remember, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so while that is sitting in the crock pot, getting all warm and cooked up, I'm gonna start working on decorating my Christmas tree. Okay guys, so now that the Christmas stuff is all done and the dumplings are in, but they gotta cook, I am gonna try to make my first ever espresso martini. Okay, so I went to Twin Liquors down the street, and normally I just buy these canned espresso martinis. Literally just pour them in a glass, they're done, easy, they taste great. But I really wanted to make some of my own, and especially because I found this dairy-free Bailey's. It's made with almond milk. So I'm super excited to try this, and hopefully it's not disgusting. If it is gross, at least we have lots of backup. I'm gonna put these in the fridge, get them chilled while I start trying to do this. So I'm just gonna use this Bailey's, which the Bailey's is gonna be the almond milk liqueur. I don't think, okay, yeah, it's just almond milk, like liquor. And then I have the Kahula, which is rum and coffee. So you can just like put these together and be done. I'm gonna try a couple different variations, see what we got. I don't know what the flavor is that's really bad about that, but like rubbing alcohol, like is it too strong? Okay, I don't know, I can't put my finger on it why it does not taste good, but it's like, I think it's the alcohol in it is really strong. That's my only guess. It's gym this morning, and then I got dressed, and we have Aspen's birthday brunch. It is a rainy, gloomy day here in Austin, so plans are a little different, but I'm still gonna take you along.